Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. Today I'll be unboxing a tactical force stunt gun. Like I said in my previous video, I'll be unboxing this tactical gear to protect yourself from miscreant, either you're working at night or during the day. You don't know where you might be needing this. It's a 3-in-1 touch, and there are some unique features about this tactical force stunt gun. Before we dive into it, if you're a new subscriber here, kindly click on the notification bell so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. And if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive into it. So I'll just be unboxing one of these tactical gears. Okay, I'll be going through these. Okay, tactical force stunt gun. Okay, maximum power stunt gun, high voltage, police grade. Wow, this is wonderful. So the moment you use this on a miscreant or anyone who is trying to attack you, it means you will be able to secure your freedom within some seconds. So this is what comes in the box. This is the tactical force device. I think this is its housing. Then this is the manual, and this is the charger. You can see this is what is inside the box: the manual, the device itself, the housing, then the cable to charge it. One beautiful thing about this tactical gear is, apart from it being a touchlight, it has some very sharp edge. It has some very sharp edge. You can see that shining. You can see that you can use to defend yourself in any case scenario. You can see even if the stunt gun fail you, that sharp edge is not going to fail you. Okay, come to the bottom. One beautiful thing I like about this production is this: they ensure that there is a safety button here. So if you're leaving your device around, just make sure the safety button is on. Then when you're going out, you could probably turn this on to be on at alert. The moment you turn it on, it's ready to work. Okay, this controls the touch light. You can see it controls the touch light. You can see that. Then there's a way you can also flash the touch light. Then the moment you move the switch forward, it has a 3-step. This back for flashing, then this one is for touch light. There is a little one to flash the light. That's the second stage. Then the last stage is getting ready to use. So normally when you press this, you're going to see the lightning now. So just stick with me, don't be scared. It might be sudden. You can see that. But when you're using this on someone, don't expect the lightning you just see now, the electric current you just see now. Don't expect it to show. It's not going to show because the current will be passed into through the body of the person that this sharp edge is touching, so you will not see that light. It's because we are using it on hair, that's why it shows that way. And it's always good to keep it out of reach of children. This is for personal use only, to protect yourself. You can get one of these on any store, eBay, Amazon, and you can also contact A3 Tech if you need any of this device, as we deliver to any place in Nigeria. So it will be nice if you have one of these. Don't forget, your safety comes first. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have learned one or two things today. If yes, kindly leave a thumbs up, and A3 Tech will see you in the next video. Bye bye.